Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research, so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best car wash sponges to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Relentless Drive Car Washing Sponge. The Relentless Drive Ultimate Microfiber Washing Sponge is one of the best multipurpose sponges, and a favorite among automotive professionals. It has 2 uses, one when wet and another when dry, and it is equally as effective at both. When wet, this tool can be used to wash away dirt, and when dry, it is great for trapping and picking up dust and lint. Either way, you will find at least one great use for this one. On top of that, it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, simply the best. With that kind of backup, even if you cannot make it useful, it is still a fine investment to get your hands on. Features: delivers a lint-free, scratch-free shine. Use wet to wash and dry to dust any automobile surface. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Viking Premium Car Wash Sponge. If you prefer the feeling of a traditional sponge in your hands when cleaning your car, the Viking Long Pile Microfiber Car Wash Sponge could be the choice for you. This super soft sponge is made from a microfiber, which lifts dust and debris from your car's paint to leave it looking clean and streak-free. The slight thinning around the middle provides you with more control during use, while the high-density foam core is capable of holding loads of car wash solution. Furthermore, this popular sponge choice can be reused time and time again for a lint-free, shiny finish on your vehicle. Features: Long Pile Microfiber Car Wash Sponge. Product is shaped for simple gripping. Big surface area to wash larger objects. Coming up next. In third place we have the Detailer's Preference Microfiber Cleaning Glove. With its 5-fingered design, the Detailer's Preference Euro Microfiber Cleaning Glove lets you clean everywhere your fingers can reach. It also includes 2 different materials on either side for added versatility. The knobby side is great for cleaning and dusting, while the smooth side is better for scrubbing. For durability, the glove is made from heavy-duty materials, and, as the glove is neither right nor left-handed, it can be used on either hand with ease. Features: interior and exterior detailing made easy. Heavy-duty material for extra durability. Long-lasting glove is easy to use for washing. Now moving to the number 4. Chemical Guys Microfiber Premium Wash Mitt. The Chemical Guys Microfiber Premium Wash Mitt has over 1,000 positive reviews from users who enjoy washing their vehicles with it. The straightforward mitt design can be worn on either hand and provides 360 degrees of chenille microfiber for effective cleaning without the worry of scratches. The highly absorbent fibers also hold plenty of water and soap, helping to speed up the cleaning process and to minimize the amount of bucket dipping required. In addition, when the glove is dirty, it's easy to throw the mitt into the wash to get it clean again. Features: premium scratch-free car wash mitt. Extra plush and absorbent. Make your microfiber last longer. In the 5th position we have the Conpart Ultimate Car Wash Mitt. In addition to the Conpart Ultimate Car Wash Mitt, this 2-piece pack includes a wash sponge, ensuring you have everything you need to clean up your car. Both pieces are double-sided with one side covered in highly absorbent microfiber strands that delivers a swirl-free finish. On the other side, there's a durable mesh material that works to remove more stubborn dirt, like bugs and leaf residues, from your car's paintwork. Furthermore, for a more comprehensive clean from front to back, you could choose the 9-piece kit option, which includes the mitt, sponge and more. Features: thick absorbent microfiber strands wipe away grime and provide a swirl-free finish. High density and thick. Returns guarantee. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best car wash sponges. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.